When you download the photo, it comes with that watermark. So, how can you remove it? There are actually two ways to do this. Method 1. Using Canva. First, download the photo and upload it into Canva. Then, go to the Edit option, and you'll find a feature called Magic Eraser. Select it, then click on the brush tool. You can adjust the brush size as needed. Simply brush over the watermark area and click Erase. After a few seconds, you'll see that the AI watermark is completely gone. You can then download the cleaned image from Canva. However, note that the Magic Eraser is a premium feature, so you'll need a Canva Pro account to use it. If you're looking for a free and easy method, try to Watermark.ai. Click on Upload Image and select your photo. The tool will automatically detect and remove the watermark using AI. Wait a few seconds while it processes your image. Once done, preview the result and click Download to save your clean image. The Watermark.ai works surprisingly well. It removes text, logos, and even semi-transparent watermarks with a single click. And that's it. These are the two easiest ways to remove AI watermarks from your generated images. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.